we see another word, the word Adonai, in the Hebrew Bible. Used of patriarchs, used of Joseph as the vicegerent, of Moses, of foreign kings with all sorts of names, with notable leaders like Ezra, a little bit later in the text. And then Lord translates, again, lowercase, the word Adonai to refer to the Israel's kings, Solomon and David, and I guess pretty much most of the kings. Very often the Davidic kings are given this sort of my Lord the King title very often. And then we have the prophets of Israel that are there as well, who can sometimes, because they are speaking for God, be described as Lord as well. Now, one of the key texts is this right here. Psalm 110. The Lord, notice all capitals, Yahweh, said to my Lord, Adonai the King, sit at my right hand until I put your enemies under your feet. This is a key text in the New Testament, that Jesus is seated at the right hand of God, that Jesus has been exalted in the resurrection, seated at the right hand of God. And you'll notice, the Lord said to my Lord. In English, it's the same word. It sounds a little strange. In the Hebrew, it's not as strange. It's not as hard to see. But there's almost a play on words here that the gospel writers take advantage of. And it seems to me that this is going to be a very important text, a key text. Sit at my right hand, God says, to his Lord, the King, until I put your enemies under your feet. Well, this clearly is an important text because it's picked up in Acts, it's picked up in Peter, it's picked up in Paul, it's picked up in Ephesians, it's picked up in a variety of places. That idea, sit at my right hand. He is seated at the right hand of God. Sometimes it's the full quotations, sometimes it's just an allusion to what's happening there.